Alright, I'm about to get started at making a different type of overlay. This one's going to be for a character unlock speedrun. I'm going to be using Stream Editor, and it's going to be a bit of a hack, but I think I can still make it work. We'll see. So, let's get started. Just check that we're all good. See whether we have quality options or not. Looks like we do. That's pretty cool. Alright, I might up the bitrate a bit then. See if my internet can handle 3,500. Seems to be alright. Okay then, let's get started, I suppose. So, first things first, I have some overlay code here that's from my Smash Ultimate overlay. Here it is, and basically I'll need to get rid of most of this code because it's going to be pretty simple. This one is just going to show all the character icons in the top left and probably a timer in the top right. And I'll also do another scene with a full screen timer to count down to when it starts. So I think we need to keep some of this stuff, not that. Probably just delete most of this actually. I'll keep the display none section. Also, might want to keep the section that talks about the icons, because we'll still need the character icons. Okay. Is there anywhere where I remove the text for the character icons? I'll have to find where that is, it's been so long. Here it is, okay. So I'll keep this section as well. Everything below this, probably just get rid of it. I also might keep the section that talks about the icon height and width. Put that down there somewhere. Let's get rid of everything else as well. So display none, what do I want to get rid of? Everything that's not player character icons, so I suppose I could just say get rid of, God, where, there it is, get rid of everything but not not teams. So not data type, teams. also not a child of data type teams. Hopefully that will work, I don't really know. So let's save that, let's see if it worked. Alright, looks like it didn't hide everything because the tournament name is still showing. So how can I fix that? So this isn't applying to the right elements, obviously. What happens if I get rid of that? Okay, that gets rid of everything. It's not exactly what I want either. You know, I'm gonna try something. I don't know. I kind of doubt that it will work. I think this is part of the problem here, that there's like a space in between this query. Inside and not statement, so already a bit of a hack. That's weird. So it's like it's not even interpreting the query at all. Okay. So there goes that theory. I might actually pull up the existing code just so I know I can copy and paste things. Okay, so let's have a look at everything here. So instead of doing that, let's go body and any direct child of body hide it unless it's data type teams. So that should get rid of everything that's not under the teams object. And it looked like it did. Okay, we're making progress. Still, I can't say this looks much like an overlay at all. So, going to have to do a lot of work to get rid of all this extra stuff. At least we can already see the character icon there, Rosalina, so that's something. I might have to do some inspect element or something to get exactly what I want. Either that, or I could look at the documentation. Let's have a look at the custom CSS stuff here. Structure. Let's see what is within the teams object. So within teams, there is a team, obviously. And that seems to encompass everything. So maybe I should hide everything except for the first team. So that would be team's direct child, but not the first child. Okay, so that should get rid of the second team. Looks like that worked. Very good. Okay. Next. So within each team, we have a team name. Get rid of that. So everything that's not players, we'll get rid of. So what is player's parent? So it's team's direct child. Direct child. 2 layers deep. But not data type players. Okay. So that should get rid of any team name or score and whatnot. Let's see if it gets rid of the score. Okay. There's some number there, but I don't think that's the score. Alright, now we need to get rid of some more stuff. We want to keep every player. But we want to get rid of the person object. So that would be player direct child. So it's the same as this query, except instead of teams, we'll have players, and then it's gonna be not the icon. Oh boy, it works. Okay. Now we just have to add all of the icons, which might take a little while. A bit of a hack. Let's jump over to the Stream Edit controller. So I think I'll change it to cruise, and then get rid of each player on this side. This doesn't really matter what this is. And then I'll set that to random. We'll start from the beginning. Let's pull up that document that says what order the characters get unlocked in. I'll try to find it. Hello, Death Aram boys. welcome. I don't know if I pronounced that right. If you don't know what's happening, you can type !speedrun in the chat. I'll give you a link to the event. Let's find that spreadsheet. I think I found it. I just need to copy the link. Where are you from, Dath? Is that what I can call you? I know there's a pretty good Smash 4 player called Dath. Okay, let's turn the scene switcher back on. So if you don't want spoilers for how to unlock characters, close your eyes momentarily. So I'm going to be probably going through versus mode to unlock them, so that seems to be the fastest way. So it looks like we start with Ness, then go Zelda, Bowser, Peach. So if I go over here, enter a new player, call them Speedrun. Okay, and then the first character will be Ness. Now, I'm not certain that I need to even enter a character name, a player name. Let's try out what happens if I don't enter a player name. So what was it? Ness. Zelda, Bowser. Now, I'm glad Bowser gets unlocked early because he's one of the few characters in Smash 4 I can play. So I might be switching to him after I unlock him. So let's give it a refresh and see if it saved the characters. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's see what the overlay actually looks like right now. Alright, looks like they're up there in the top left already, but I need to make them side by side instead of top to bottom. Because let's pull up the singles. Oh, is the frame rate dying? So my computer is not the best. And if I put it on this screen, it'll probably make things better for a little bit. I wonder if I lower the bitrate, whether that'll help. It's worth a try, maybe. Okay, bitrate's at 2,500 now. So let's try to make the icons side by side. So to do that, I think I would need to have every element within the team's object set to display inline block. And if I put that, actually I could just have every element be display inline block. And then if I set this to display none important, it's a bit of a hacky way to do things, but hopefully it works. Nice. I don't know why there's text in the top left that says overlay. I don't even know where that came from. Wait. That's so weird. Like when I hide the overlay, it's the first thing to load. What is going on here? There's just a bit of text in the top left that says overlay. I don't know why it's there. Let's see if it appears in the overlay editor. Yep, it's there. Let's find out what it is. Oh, okay. It's within the head element. That shouldn't be displaying anything, okay. I think we need to specify at least everything within the body should be displaying, but nothing in the head should be. I've never really even encountered that before. Okay, there we go. I also kind of want to find out why they're not touching the top of the screen. They're kind of like separated a little bit. Okay, so it looks like the icon is the correct size. You can see the box around it is fine, but the parent element is larger than the icon, which is interesting. So what if I set each player as well as the icon to be the same height and width? Oops. Okay, so that way it should make them, the icons, touch the top of the screen, in theory. And it did nothing. Perfect. Okay, let's have a look what we can do about that. I think I need to refresh. That's weird. So it looks like it's set the height and width of the player, but the box is above Zelda's head. So what is happening here? Because everything else inside this player element is being set. Wait. Why did that make it disappear? What is happening? Oh, that's why. Because it's applying to both the icon and the player. Got it. Okay. I can't see any reason why. It shouldn't be touching the top. This is really strange. Is there something within the person element? I mean, it shouldn't matter because person is being set to display none. I'm just going to type some things in here, see if it works. Nope. Okay, what does the computed section say? Okay, what if I set the icon to display block? Nope, that doesn't help. Might have to come back to this later. Vertical align top is not set. Goody. Okay. I don't know why that doesn't work anyway, but we'll go with it. So I'm not even sure if we'll need this here now anyway. So we'll get rid of this and put it back in the icon section. And then what needs to be set to vertical align top? Player. Okay, that's weird. Okay, vertical align top. Okay, now, in theory, they should be touching the top of the screen. And they're not. Cool. Maybe I do need that width and height thing here. Okay, now it's not working at all. What's going on? Let's refresh this. See if we can find the problem. Does this need to be set to vertical align top? Okay, maybe that's what I was supposed to set. I set the wrong thing. That makes things a little easier, hopefully. Very good, okay. Now I just need to put in all the characters. Doesn't that sound like fun? I think there's... how many is there? I think it says in the event description. If I click on that. "56 characters and 3 Miis," so there's 59 characters to unlock. Oh boy. Okay, next one is Pit, Inkling, Villager, Marth. So chat, what are you guys gonna do when you first get Ultimate? Are you gonna unlock characters as fast as you can like I am, or are you gonna actually play the game? So Villager, Marth, Youngling, Wii Fit. Yeah, do you think... I think it was a pretty good idea to have a limited roster to start the game with, because that way newcomers won't be like, oh my god, what character should I pick? I don't know. But if they followed that same logic, then the stage list wouldn't be like 100 stages at the very start, so... don't know what happened there. Alright, you're lucky you get Link unlocked at the start. Ice Climbers, Captain Falcon. I've never done this many players in Stream Edit before, so I hope it holds up. Peach. So what do you think of the changes to Link? Are you a fan, or do you like non-detonatable bombs? Bombs. Okay, let's see what the overlay looks like now. Yeah, I'm also pretty lucky. Bowser gets unlocked pretty early by the look of it. I'll probably play like Mario before that. Maybe Fox if I'm daring. Okay, so the icons might be a bit big if I need to fit 59 of them. So let's reduce their size a bit. That should be okay, hopefully. Yeah, have you seen like those Twitter clips where the Link CPUs bomb themselves to get back? I think that might have been Snake, the CPU, but I saw a human player bomb themselves to get back to the stage. It was pretty cool. Okay, Ryu, Ike, Jigglypuff. I wonder how they decided this order. Or whether it's actually just random. From what I've heard, it's not random. It is in this order. If you play versus mode, you will unlock them in this order. K. Rool, Sonic, Simon. Whoops. Goodbye, K. Rool. I'm also pretty keen to play Simon and Richter. See, look. I like their whip moves because it's kind of like ZSS's there. But it's like every one of their moves. Now, I was originally gonna have the characters be in a bunch in the top left corner, but I wonder what it would look like if I had them all along the top there. Stall off stage for a very long time with bombs. Surely you'd rack up enough percent for it to be not worth it though, wouldn't you? But if you trust your tech game, you could maybe stall forever, get banned from the tournament. Does that sound like a plan? So I wonder with this random order whether any Echo fighters are unlocked before their non-Echo counterparts. Probably doubt that. Here's ZSS, Little Mac, Isabelle. Yeah, I don't think it would fit all in one row. Might be able to do two, but I was thinking, at the start I was thinking like having 4 rows or something. I was supposed to put Isabelle there. Okay, Must be because the eye in suit for Zero Suit Samus. Interesting. And they've got like a similar icon, look. Samus is Isabelle. This is canon now. Shulk, Lucina, Wario. Whoa, Shulk's... Look at Shulk's skins, they're so different. Either that or it's just the icons. Lucina, Wario. I wonder if they picked this order. They're like, oh, this is the definitive order. This is, we focus tested this order, and this is the order that players prefer to play the characters in. Also, why is the search bar not working? Oh dear. So they're doing like a Lucina thing with his skins, are they? Okay, now the search bar's working. Wario, Ridley. Ridley's skins look pretty cool. Especially like the metal armor ones. Man. Okay, let's check out the preview. I thought I added more characters than that. Alright, let's test out. I actually haven't implemented the character deletion mechanic for the overlay yet. Let's see what happens when I get rid of one. Actually, I also totally forgot about the transition. I need to copy this. I'm gonna keep it on this screen for a bit while I test out the controller and see whether the icons actually disappear or not. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of Ness. Oh, that's right, I didn't even implement the defeated logic yet. Alright, better do that. So I think all I need to do is put the defeated class in this section here. And that'll make it not display. Okay, let's have a look. So Ness should be gone when I refresh. He is not. Wait, didn't refresh. Oh dear. Why is there a massive gap? The character icons aren't loading. Where's Captain Falcon? Okay, let's check. See what happens when I refresh here. Maybe it doesn't like the fact that I have too many players. Wait. What the heck? Now nothing is loading, so that's pretty cool. Okay. I don't know why that was unchecked. Okay. It's just loading. It's just taking forever to load. Let's check out why some of these icons aren't even showing up. Okay, so the data value is set to nothing? That's really weird. Yeah, what's going on here? So here the data value is set to Ice Climbers 1, but here it's not set to anything. Whoa, thank you for the subscription, Salty Studios. I very much appreciate it. You're this channel's first subscriber. I better get some emotes ready. Oh, what the heck? The characters are gone. They're just gone. Also, Ness is gone. This is not good. Okay, let's get back Captain Falcon. We fit Young Link. Oh, that's okay. Music is super wonky. Are you saying there's actually some technical difficulty with the music, or is it just you're not a fan of the music? Alright, so it goes Villager Marth, Youngling, Wii Fit Trainer. And Ness is still missing. I have a hunch as to why this isn't working the way I wanted to. Alright, let me know if the music keeps screwing up, because I don't know. I can't see the problem right now. So if I send Ness to the top, I think the problem is it saves every single player every time I change the position of a character. So if I send Ness to the top, it'll save every single character. Yeah. So that's a lot of saving to do. That's probably why it screws up. Dono button? You mean like bits? Or you mean actual like PayPal donations? Because I don't even have a donation link. But if you want to give bits, that would be appreciated. Okay, so if I refresh, hopefully all the characters will still be there, but we'll find out. Music is super wonk. Maybe I'll have to look at what it sounds like. Okay. So it looks like it worked, except Ness is still down here. Oh dear. Let's just check that that order is correct. So let's go Lucina, Warrior, Ridley. Oh, there's the bits. That's some salt. Thank you. That's a lot of salt. I don't even know what the what happens when you go like the tier above, like the 1000. Does it just like pour down the screen and it just fills up with salt? Okay, so I suppose I could test getting rid of Nest now. The moment of truth. So goodbye, Ness. Alright. Nothing's happened so far. That's a good start. Oh, there. Something happened. But Ness didn't go away. Bowser did instead. Yeah, this isn't quite fit to handle this many characters. I might need to go back and make this save function more efficient, because I don't think this will work the way it is right now. Regardless, I can finish off the overlay itself, but then I'll have to make sure it's functional before Friday. Okay. That's right, I was gonna check what's going on with the music. BRB. Is the music fine now though? God, I've got to listen to ads. It's the same ads all the time on Twitch. Like, I would get Twitch Turbo if it wasn't like $14 a month Australian. Cause like Twitch Prime used to have no ads. That was like $8 a month. I would pay that. And Twitch ads are always the same ads over and over again. They get on your nerves. Okay, the music is fine. I fixed it by doing nothing. Very good. My computer is not having any of this. Man, I thought I lowered the settings so that this wouldn't happen again. Okay, let's send Ness to the top. And then we have, well, I'll probably refresh first just to make sure didn't screw up. Also, I will hide the chat on this screen because that takes a while to load. Yes. How are we doing tonight? It's just not loading. Oh! Yay! Okay. I'll hide the chat as soon as it'll let me. There we go, okay. Yes. Zelda. And Bowser. Okay, let's check if all the characters are in the right order. So, Ness, Zelda, Bowser, Pit, Inkling, Villager, Marth, Young Link, Wheatbit, Falcon, Peach, Ryu, Ike. K. Rool, Sonic, Simon, Zero Suit. Then Little Mac, Isabelle, Shock. Okay, good. Now we'll do Lucina, Wario, Ridley. Stream is frozen? Is it still frozen? Man. Computer. Pokemon Trainer, Lucario, Daisy. When you hear this, let me know if it's still frozen. DDD, Rob, Falco. I haven't got a response yet. I'm getting concerned. A frame or two moved? Alright, I've got to check this out then. Wow, there's still a lot of characters. Dear Lord. Thought I was near the end. Alright, I'm gonna check out the 0.2 FPS because it's telling me that it's 46 FPS. So what's going on?